And on this weather alert day again, all eyes going to be on some of those roadways. I think that's what we've got left here, as some of that precip still wrapping up as really just some light flurries. Whatever is falling here as we get through this morning is not going to be impacting those roadways negatively. But again, unfortunately, they're not going to be improving necessarily. Those roads aren't, because it's doggone cold out there as we get into this Tuesday. We got another round, though, that we're going to be tracking. I'll show you the timing on that here in just a second. But we'll get you through your Tuesday. And again, it's going to be a pretty similar sight, I think, to what we're starting off with. A lot of that cloud cover, that's going to be with us as we get into this afternoon. And temperatures not going to budge a whole lot because of that. You got winds out of the north and a lot of cloud cover. That's not a great recipe this time of year, especially. Going to be topping out in the teens, but unfortunately, I think that's where we kind of bottom out tonight. We're not going to actually turn those numbers around and get back into the single digits, which is good news, but still it's going to be cold enough that we're going to be tracking snow. Nonetheless, as we get into tomorrow, again, really looks like it's going to be coming down tomorrow morning into the afternoon hours. And then after that, again, going to be tapering off as we get into the very early morning hours on Thursday. Again, this is going to be a fairly light event. That's what we're expecting as of right now. Most of us going to be in that trace to 1 inch amount here, but we could see some higher amounts getting up around 2 inches. So regardless, again, we're going to be tracking impacts this morning, some tricky travel. That's going to kind of reemerge its head as we get into Wednesday morning and into the evening commute as well. So stay with us. We'll be continuing to track not only those road conditions all through the next couple of days, but we got even colder air on the way, unfortunately, as we get into this weekend. That polar vortex is going to rear its ugly head. Going to drop our overnight lows below zero Saturday and Sunday night.